What's up guys, Kat here of Tech, and here we have the Realme 9i with triple rear cameras, a whopping 5000 milliamps of battery, a large display, and a pretty decent CPU. But beyond the specs sheet, let's take a look at what else the Realme 9i can do. Need more RAM? Say no more! The Realme 9i can extend its RAM up to 11 gigs with just a few taps through the dynamic RAM expansion feature. Just go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, then tap on RAM several times, and you'll see the dynamic RAM expansion toggle. Turn it on, adjust to your preferred amount of RAM, and then hit Save. Restart the device and you're good to go. To quickly see the phone's RAM information, search on the Settings, Display RAM option, and toggle it. And you should now see the RAM usage on your recent task screen. The Realme 9i boasts a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, and it offers plenty of exciting photography modes that take advantage of its camera department. Starting with a 50-megapixel mode that allows you to shoot in full megapixel capacity. Just tap the two dotted icon on the top right corner of the default photo mode and toggle this mode. It's that easy. The Realme 9i also has a night mode which brightens up shots under low light situations, and a portrait mode with good bokeh effect that is adjustable along with AI retouching, and the expert mode to manually adjust the camera settings. Its camera app also has a built-in photo editor, a Google Lens shortcut, HDR, live filters, and AI scene enhancement. Now, do you want to put a watermark on your mobile shots? Tap on the three dotted icon on the right corner, the gear icon, select watermark, and you may write your name. Toggle the watermark info, all up to you. Watching your favorite shows on the Realme 9i will be delightful since it has a dual stereo speakers. Although the audio may be distorted when set to max volume, the headphone jack is always available at your disposal, just in case you need it. The Realme 9i runs on Android 11 skinned with the Realme UI 2.0, offering more functionalities that include multitasking features, such as the floating windows, and the easiest way to enable this is to go to Recent Tasks, tap on the three dots, select Floating Window. We also have split screen by holding the Recent Tasks button or swiping 3 fingers up the screen. These multitasking features come in handy, especially when writing on a notepad with a browser page open to easily copy and paste stuff across applications. Make your favorite apps always accessible on the side by activating Smart Sidebar. Just go to Settings, under Convenience Tools, select Smart Sidebar and activate. Need to turn on the flashlight real quick? Then screen off gestures can do just that, and plenty more gestures you may write on the screen while it's off. Go to Convenience Tool Settings, select Gestures and Motions, then tap on Screen Off Gestures, where you may activate preset gestures or add one yourself. Switching of social media accounts has never been easy, as the Realme 9i can clone your apps having different accounts. Just search on the Settings App Cloner and select the apps you want to clone, and you'll have 2 separate apps to scroll about. Last but definitely not the least feature is the Game Space that boosts gaming performance on supported Realme smartphones, including Realme 9i. The app provides 3 gaming modes such as low power mode that increases battery life while gaming. Balanced mode, as the name suggests, it balances gaming performance with battery life, and Pro Gamer mode that consumes more power for extreme gaming performance. Game Space also provides more gaming customizations such as Game Assistant, network optimization, and gameplay enhancements. There you have it, folks. What is your favorite feature of the Realme 9i? Have you tried these features yet? Let us know your experience down below. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, smack that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and make sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Kat, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!